Hey guys, I'll tell you how Japanese eat the natto. Here we go. This is out of two-piece I have left in my refrigerator. I open up the package. Just take it off. Take this tea sauce out. Take this sticky wrapping paper out. Oh, it's sticky as it is. And pour the sauce. Okay. Another piece will go in here. And now it's a string time. Now I have kebab chickens, so we'll mix the kebab chickens with natto. Kebab use adult sheep meat called mutton. I think it might be the chickens or maybe something else. But what I'll do is I'll pour a top of it. Now we have a natto on the top of the meat. Sounds interested? Yummy!